Hey Tony, it's Boris. Actually, just decided to do a quick video myself here instead of the guys. So, since we talked and we discussed everything, I've been running the clock since yesterday, and it's showing the right time. I think it's great. I don't think there's an issue with the clock at all, but we'll keep it running for a little longer and see how it is. So, here's the winding key would be here. You just you wind it up. Of course, and then the birds would be down here. You got the the 8 out of 9 number here. So here's a little more in depth on the video here. You got winding keys here for the birds. You go here. You got a long big winding key here for the bellows, and you turn it on down here. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and you can hear the music. I mean the birds. Got to get the right position here. Here we go. That's the one. It's gonna stop a little bit, and then they play again. And there's one more position actually. There's this one. Now you can see, let me turn them off really quick here. You can see how detailed, I mean this is all handmade, and you can see how detailed every little thing is. Of course this is a few decades old, but it's in pretty amazing condition. It's a very rare piece. It's all handmade. There's little things like that, and of course it's not absolutely perfect because it's almost it's a classic. So it's a very unique item. So I'll leave it at that. It does play great. We will check it again to make sure that it's everything is good inside. We'll take it to a special Reuge master who we know that will check the bellows, and we'll check the clock. Although the clock seems to be working really well. Again, the key is here. You just wind it up here, and it's been working great since last night. We'll keep it running and see how it works. All right, thanks.